Hello friends and family, welcome to my channel Pallavisparadise. And today we are making one ingredient with the three different recipe, that is parota, cutlet and the pakodas. And so here I have taken 2 cup of sprouted matki, that is moth bean. Here I am chopping this matki with the chopper, with the help of chopper. We don't need hair grinder, just chopped it like this, here shown in the picture. This sprouted matki has high level of proteins and this is very good for health. Guys, this can be option for your breakfast and your snacks also at evening. Once your baby or once your kids come from school and if they get hungry, this is the best option I am going to tell you today. We have to include sprouted matki in our diet because it contains high levels of proteins. And here I am adding half grated potato. If you have boiled potato, then just smash it and add in it. But right now I don't have it, so I am grating just potato and adding it. Now just added grated carrot here to make dish more healthy. 2 tablespoon rice flour I am taken, and then 4 tablespoon corn flour I am adding in it. Vegetables you choose as per your choice, guys. Friends, just keep it in mind that the whichever or whatever recipes we make, it should be in a more healthy way. And just here I have added cumin powder 1 tablespoon, and we are adding 2 tablespoon of coriander powder. Here I have added 1 tablespoon of, and this is the second one I have added coriander powder here. And then add chaat masala small tablespoon. Here it is option, I have taken small tablespoon of red chili flakes. Now I am adding paste of ginger, garlic, green chili and the cumin seed paste and add in it. Added 1 tablespoon of salt as per your choice, you can add it. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of besan, chickpeas powder for binding I am added here, and then 1 tablespoon of oil. Again here I have added 1 tablespoon of besan and mix it properly and make a nice proper cutlet like this. Dip in a suji like this. You have to add suji or rava on cutlet, and we have made 4 cutlets here. This is the remaining mixture and here are the cutlets. And here I have added 1 tablespoon of oil on a pan and we will shallow fry it. Please don't fry on a high flame, it should be medium flame only. Frying cutlet takes time. Here in cutlet all the vegetables should be cooked properly, keep it in mind. So here we are frying with the medium flame only. Just turn our cutlets, easily it will get turned. Now the cutlets let fry properly. Now we will move to the next recipe, that is wada recipe, or call it as pakoda. And here we have heated oil in the other pan and the mixture we kept for a side. Just make a bowl of it and make a pakodas and just fry with a medium low flame only. Here you can see how the pakodas have done. The pakodas will be very nice and crispy, guys, I tell you. And here I am checking our cutlets. And so here I need 1 tablespoon of oil again. Let cutlet fry properly. And here I am removing pakodas from the oil. And also our cutlets have done. Here I am done with my 2 recipe, that is cutlet and pakoda. Have with your tea or sauce, whichever you like. Now we are moving to our third recipe, that is paratha recipe. With the help of wheat flour, just knead a dough. Don't add water in it. Here is our favorite recipe, my boy's favorite recipe, paratha recipe. Again I need some wheat flour to knead a dough. Friends, You should try this paratha recipe, and I am going to tell you that this is going to be very yummiest recipe, yummiest and crispiest, very nice tasty recipe, paratha recipe. My boys love this so much. Take a small portion of a dough to make a parathas, and with the help of wheat flour we will make this paratha. Whichever shape you like or whichever thickness you want, you keep it and just make it a roll of like this. Adjust corner and fry it with a little oil. And here our parathas ready to fry. Heat tawa to fry our parathas. Take a 1 tablespoon of oil and fry parotha, or you can add ghee also. Here I am adding ghee. This paratha option is very healthy, guys. I know your family and your kids will love this paratha recipe a lot, like mine. Thank you so much, guys. If you like my recipe, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. And here we are done with our 3 recipes, that is pakoda and the cutlets and the parota recipe. Have your tea, have your yummy snack. Thank you so much.